Hi, I'd like to do a review of this press-on nail remover. This is by Curvlife, so let me back up. I currently am wearing these Curvlife press-on nails. You could see, and I have loved these and I'm ready to take them off. So I will actually tag this product to this video as well, these exact nails that I'm wearing right now. So then I bought this kit as well. This is the semi-solid glue and the remover, and that's what I'm going to do right now is the remover. So you take the remover, take the cap off. This is also by Curvlife, by the way, it's the same brand. And so I'm going to take my nail and I'm just going to put a few drops around the nail like that. And so the nail kit, this comes with this tool, and if you're familiar with nail tools, it's like the old orange wood stick, but this one is kind of an acrylic. It's sparkly, it's pointy on one end and kind of the flat angle on the other end. So you let the remover sit for about 5 seconds. And then you can just use the tool to kind of work along the edges. Look at that. It just popped right off. It just popped right off. So there you go. It's a lot kinder on your nails than, I mean, in the past I've just kind of ripped them off, and that's terrible for your nails. The remover is much better. So if you have any residue of the nail glue, you can take another little drop, put it on your fingernail like that, and you could just kind of rub it. Take like a cotton cloth and rub it off. So see, you can tell my nail is not damaged. It still looks nice, and it literally was just a few seconds. So I highly recommend the Curvlife press-on nails, the kit with the semi-solid glue, but it also has this remover by Curvlife. Highly recommend these products, these nails, the remover, the glue, everything. Highly recommend. Thanks.